Switch off your audio processor. Make sure your SAMBA to go is switched off. Place it around your neck. Press the multifunction button on SAMBA to go until the green LED turns on. The green LED will flash while searching for audio processors nearby. If you have not yet paired a Bluetooth device, the blue LED will also flash. Switch on the audio processor while the green LED is flashing. Pairing is complete when the green LED stops flashing, is illuminated for 5 seconds, and then is no longer illuminated. If you are pairing SAMBA to go for the first time, the blue LED may now flash to show SAMBA to go is ready to be paired with a Bluetooth device. If you want to pair with a Bluetooth device, watch the video on pairing with a Bluetooth device.